In front of me is ZTE Axon 11, and let me show you how to activate touch sounds on the following device. So first of all, just take a look, and as you can see, it is not working, so you can click and nothing happens, you cannot hear any sound. But if you'd like to apply it, just open the settings, find and select sound, and here go to other sounds and vibration, and just click on touch sounds, and from now on you will be able to hear it. Hopefully you can hear it. It's a bit, maybe I can volume it up, but it's full. But I think you can hear it, so it is active. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.